Working with electricity demands the highest level of respect. Electricity is a powerful force. It can be dangerous if not handled properly. Electricians face serious risks every day. Electrical shock is a constant threat. Arc flashes can cause severe burns. Safety must always be the top priority. Proper training is essential. Understanding hazards is crucial. Following strict safety protocols is a must. PPE, like insulated gloves and safety glasses, is vital. But even with precautions, accidents can happen. New technologies enhance safety. The helmet-mounted induction tester is a game changer. It empowers workers to make informed decisions. It helps prevent accidents and save lives. The helmet-mounted induction tester represents a significant leap forward in electrical safety technology. This innovative device is designed to provide an early warning system for live voltage. It does this by detecting the electromagnetic fields generated by electrical current. This early detection is critical for preventing electrical shocks and other accidents. The device is remarkably user-friendly. It seamlessly integrates into a standard safety helmet. This means workers don't need to carry an additional piece of equipment. The integration also ensures that the tester is always readily accessible. This is crucial in time-sensitive situations. The helmet-mounted induction tester is highly sensitive. It can detect a wide range of voltages. This makes it suitable for various electrical applications. Whether working on residential wiring or high-voltage power lines, the device provides reliable protection. Its ease of use and versatility make it an indispensable tool for any electrical professional. The helmet-mounted induction tester is thoughtfully designed for both effectiveness and comfort. It attaches securely to the brim of a standard safety helmet. This strategic placement ensures that the sensor is optimally positioned for maximum sensitivity. The device remains unobtrusive during use. It doesn't interfere with the worker's field of vision or head movement. A clear and intuitive interface enhances user-friendliness. The device features a simple on-off switch for easy operation. A series of LED lights provide visual indicators. These indicators convey information about battery life and signal strength. This visual feedback system allows for quick and easy status checks. The helmet-mounted induction tester prioritizes comfort. It is lightweight and ergonomically designed. This ensures that it doesn't add unnecessary strain or discomfort during prolonged use. This is particularly important for workers who wear safety helmets for extended periods. The device's design reflects a deep understanding of the demands of electrical work. Powering confidence in every use. The helmet-mounted induction tester boasts impressive technical specifications. It detects voltages from 50 to 10,000 volts, suitable for a wide variety of electrical applications. Detects live voltage from up to 12 inches away, minimizes the risk of accidental contact, emits a loud 70 decibel alarm, audible even in noisy environments, powered by a long-lasting battery. Section 5. Enhanced safety features, visibility and adaptability. The helmet-mounted induction tester goes beyond basic functionality to incorporate features that enhance worker visibility and adapt to various work environments. Recognizing the importance of visibility in potentially hazardous settings, the device is equipped with reflective tape. This tape enhances the worker's visibility, especially in low-light conditions. The device's adaptability is another key strength. It can withstand a wide range of temperatures. This ensures reliable performance in both extreme heat and cold. The device is also dust-proof and water-resistant. This protection makes it suitable for use in challenging outdoor environments. Battery replacement is straightforward. The device uses a common battery type for easy replacement. A low battery indicator provides ample warning. This ensures that the device remains operational when needed. The helmet-mounted induction tester is built for the long haul.